Student, today I explain about the two type of neuron on the basis of presence of myelin sheath or absence of myelin sheath. Presence of myelin sheath neuron is known as myelinated neuron. Absence of myelin sheath neuron is known as non-myelinated neuron. Student, today's topic based upon the structure of myelinated neurons and details of the myelinated neurons. Before I start this topic, student, you know that most common neuron or most abundant neuron in any animal body is the myelinated neuron, and very less number of neuron which is present in human body or animal body. This is the non-myelinated neuron. Non-myelinated neuron basically present in our autonomous nervous system, and non-myelinated neuron transmit the signal or show the nerve impulse in very slow manner. Okay, let's start about the detailed study of the myelinated neuron. This is the picture of myelinated neuron. Again, a neuron has two parts. First part is the cell body and second part is known as axon. Cell body carry all cell organelle or in any animal cells except the centriole. In absence of centriole, neuron also known as, or they are not divide. Next one is the axon. Here you can see axon is the covered by the myelinated sheath. Next structure is the node of Ranvier's swan cell axon terminals. What is the myelin sheath and what are its functions? Myelin sheath is the insulated layer around the axon of a neuron, and as you can see, this increases the speed of the nerve impulse and transmit the message or signal more quickly and more efficiently. Next one is node of Ranvier, a periodic gap between the myelin sheath on the axon. It facilitates the rapid conduction of nerve impulses. And third part is the swan cell. It is the myelinated or myelinate the axon of the peripheral nervous system. What is the meaning of peripheral nervous system? Those neurons are arises from the brain and spinal cord is known as peripheral nervous system. That's all for today. Thank you.